Okay, so here I'm working on a Revit model in LightStanza. And just as a reminder, you can bring fixtures in with your Revit model or you can place them in the app. But let's say that I'm trying to share this Revit model with someone outside of my organization. Maybe I want to share it with a rep agency or an electrical engineer. Well, to do this, come up here and click on this big share button. Here, we'll go ahead and enter an email. And then over here, we have some access options. You can choose between editor, calculator, or commenter. We'll choose editor here to give them full access. If you'd like to do so, you can also include an additional message. Now we can go ahead and click add. And then to officially share it, we'll click OK. And you'll also get a reminder clarifying that you'd like to share this design outside of your organization. After this is done, the person you're sharing it with will get an email with a link to access your design. And this is the optimal way to share Revit designs outside of your team in LightStanza.